So to begin to remove the seat on the Continental GT650, we grab the key and then insert the key into the side panel here, turn it and then pull it out and then just pull it down. There's two pins there on rubber grommets. That gives us access to the seat removal. So you pull that and then the seat will pop and you can lift the seat up. After you've got that side cover off here, there's this little seat release knob. So you just pull that seat release knob and then you can lift the back of the seat up and that releases the pin underneath there from the locking mechanism. And then you can slide the seat straight back and up and away, and then that'll remove the seat. So we need to remove that screw that's down there with the Allen key. So just remove that one screw and that'll allow you to remove the left-hand side fairing. So with that little screw removed down here that we mentioned before, remove that, then you can pull the cover out here, and she's got a rubber grommet at the front. You just pull that panel out, there's that rubber grommet, and then there's another rubber grommet at the bottom there, just pulls straight up. So you just pull that panel up, there's that rubber grommet going into that hole there. So with the tank just propped up a little way on a piece of timber, we need to disconnect this connector here, and that's that little latch there. You have to pull that to the right, backwards in the vehicle, and then pull down, and it's got a seal inside. And we have to remove the two drain hoses, one on this side and exactly the same one on the other side over there. They just basically slip on, so you just need to twist them a little bit and pull them down. And that'll allow you to lift the tank up a bit higher. So with the tank just propped up there, just way down in here, there's the high pressure fuel pump connection here. A bit difficult to see, but there's a couple of pins that need to be pushed in. We've got a special pair of pliers which push one on one side and one on the other. And you just push them in and then lift the connector up. So you have to delatch it by pushing the two pins in, one on one side, one on the other, and then lift her up. Then you can lift the tank up a bit higher to get hold of the green connector that's up the top there. So we have here the high pressure fuel hose disconnected from the injector cross rail. As well, the last connection to be disconnected is this little plug up here, the green one, which is to the sender unit, and then the tank can be removed.